here we have m1 is spherical mass, has a value at the origin. So let's say this is origin where x is equal to 0. Then we have m2 is also spherical mass, is located at a distance of 55.6 meter. At what value of the x would be third mass, which is m3, mass experience no net gravitational force due to the m1 and m2. So basically, if you have these two masses and when you place this m3, it has to be balanced in such a way that it will not move back and forth. Okay, so it has to stay in at certain distance so that there is no net gravitational force due to m1 and m2. In other words, we have to say that F1 should be equal to F2. Now, what is F1? The F1 is a force between M1, M3 divided the distance between them. So now we don't know the distance, so we have to find that distance x, okay? So let's call this as distance x. This one will be 55.6 minus x, okay? That distance between m3 and m2. So x squared, then after that f2 is equal g m2 m3 divided by 55.6 minus x squared. Then finally just have to make them equal to each other and find the x. Of course, you will have a quadratic equation. You may get two values. So one value will be, let's say, 33 meter. Another value might be 120. Of course, you cannot take 120 because it doesn't make any sense. Because M3 is smaller than M1 and M2. And you have to take the smallest number, which makes sense.